Good morning, everyone. Now, today we are going to start a new chapter that is the towns, traders, and crowd person. Chapter 6 Towns, Traders, and Crowd person. First, I want to clear the meaning of all three words. Towns means the during that time, which were the new towns which emerged, जो नए towns बन के सामने आए, which were the new towns which were emerged, and towns were classified into different categories. Some towns were the center of the pilgrims, where the pilgrims were visited. You studied pilgrim word in class 6 also. जो बहुत से दर्शन करने के लिए जो आते हैं वो लाइक डेट आर नोन एज द पिलग्रिम्स। सपोज चाइनीज यहाँ आते हैं फॉर ए बुद्धिज्म, तो डेट चाइनीज दिस आर नोन एज द पिलग्रिम्स। तो मेनी टाउन्स दे वर सेंटर ऑफ पिलग्रिम्स। सम टाउन्स आर द सेंटर ऑफ टेम्पल्स where the temples mostly are located. Take the example of temple towns like a Vrindavan, Mathura. In a southern part of India, there are a lot of temple towns where the temples are located in towns like Vrindavan, Mathura, some part of UP. These are known as the temple towns. And some towns were the center of administrative means early time rulers they want to construct a temple inside their kingdoms, and their temples name is a similar their name. They want to represent themselves as a like god. They were, their kingdoms was the miniature model of the world. Miniature model of the world. Earlier we have discussed in class 6 also. According to that means many rulers what they think about it कि we are representatives sent by the god, or we will rule or will give the justice for public in our kingdom. So their temples name is like a similar of the ruler's name. जैसे राजा राजवर्धना like first they were used the different title like a Raj, Raja, Raja, Maharaja, Raja, Adhiraja like this. They were used the different titles. They were represent as a like god. So like if you visit the any temples, if you see temple, so in temple there is the main deity of God, main होती है, and at the parallel there are two side parallel में उनके subordinate deities होते हैं inside the temple. Subordinate deities होते हैं, god होते हैं. तो aged in their politicians in rulers politicians, or if you say so as a main deity is the ruler, and subordinate like a different minister and different department, and they represent themselves. Just a minute. Okay, continue. तो डेट्स वाई दे रिप्रेजेंट लाइक ए गॉड, वो अपने आप को गॉड जैसा रिप्रेजेंट करते थे, इसलिए उनके दोनों साइड जैसे गॉड के सब ऑर्डिनेट डेटीज होते हैं टेम्पल के अंदर हम देखते हैं, जैसे मेन डेटीज की स्टेचू होती है या जो भी मूर्ति होती है उसके सब ऑर्डिनेट अलग अलग देवताओं की लगी रहती है। तो एजिड इनसाइड द पॉलिटिशियंस वो क्या सोचते थे कि एजिड टेम्पल जैसा अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करते थे, लाइक ए टेम्पल दे रिप्रेजेंट देयर सेल्फ, जैसे खुद का मेन और सराउंडिंग द different minister, or what is the role to give the justice for public, so they represent like this. Okay, so they were used the, so early time rulers choose the temple as the center. So temple were the administrative centers where they can start their rules. They can give the any orders instruction from the temples. So temples were center, so many towns craft persons trade may be held close to the temple. So temple were the centers earlier time. Okay dear, so in this first we will discuss administrative centers. So temple were the administrative centers. Second point in this chapter we will discuss about the temple towns and pilgrims. There were many temple towns like Mathura we will study, Vrindavan we will study about the temple towns. Those are famous for temple. Like a present nowadays I am giving Shirdi like a temple town, Tirupati like a temple towns. Okay, these are the temple towns. In your like Saurya and temple towns like present time, not early time. So we'll discuss about the temple towns. After that, we'll discuss a network of small towns. There were many small towns were located, and that in small town there were the weekly market held. Weekly market that is known as the hatta, or hatta means what? Why? Because hatta means hatwada. Hatwada means the that market held a single day of week. In a week, one time. Such market known as the Hatwada or weekly market today we know. So earlier time such markets were located in small towns where those people who are living in surrounding area, they can purchase their whatever their needs, according their needs they can purchase their product whatever they require from the weekly market. So we'll discuss in this chapter about the weekly market and Atwada and Hatta also. Okay, these are the different name of the weekly market. Later we'll discuss about the traders, big and small towns. So there were the different big and small towns where the different traders were settled for what? For export and import the different product goods. Many goods were sold by them, purchased by them, raw material, whatever, or such material may be available in any towns. So they purchase from that or sold in another one town, or from the another one towns, whatever required from that public, they were sold there. So this was the work of the traders who export import the different goods. So this different caste of the merchant will discuss in this chapter. Like from Rajasthan, a Marwari, they were famous traders earlier time. Marwari, they were. So we'll discuss about the Marwari traders. We'll discuss about Nanadesi traders. These are the different caste of the traders. So in this chapter, how the traders play the important role in towns, how they supply their goods, how they choose different towns for their selling purpose, for their trade purpose. After we discuss about the craft in towns. Next point is the craft in towns. So there were two types of craft, skilled and unskilled labor. So they started the craft inside the towns like it to make the metallic item. Metallic means the like a बेल दोज यूज इनसाइड द टेम्पल्स, बड़ी बड़ी बेल जो यूज करते हैं मेटल की, कॉपर की, इनकी. तो दे कंस्ट्रक्ट लाइक, तो सच डायग्राम इज गिवन इन योर बुक रिलेटेड टू द such craft work. So those cities were famous for the craft work. We'll discuss in this chapter. Okay. Next one, we'll discuss a close look with the Hampi, Moslipadnam, and Surat. These are the three cities. Hampi was the capital earlier time and located near the Kaveri and Tungabhadra rivers on the bank of Tungabhadra and Kaveri river. Hampi was capital earlier time. We'll discuss about the Hampi also. Later we'll discuss about the Moslipadnam. We'll discuss Moslipadnam in details. Why? Because earlier time that coastal town, that is the coastal town which located at the coastal area. So this was the famous town earlier time where at a single time we can see the thousands of ships which may be export and import the different goods. एक ही टाइम में हम थाउजेंड ऑफ शिप इस जगह मोस्टली पढ़ने में देख सकते थे earlier time. But after 100-200 years, what happens with mostly Patna? We'll discuss the problem today. Such towns is totally destroyed. आज वहां पे टाउन्स के नेम पे कुछ भी नहीं है, केवल देर आर ओनली स्टोन और सच ब्रिक्स आर located that side only. So we'll discuss in details about the mostly Padnam. This word come from the peace, mostly matlab peace, and Padnam is the port where the it is related. Okay. Next we'll discuss about the Surat in this chapter here. Surat was the famous center for emporium. Emporium is what? Where that is the place where the goods sold and bought, मतलब purchase भी किए जाते हैं and sold trade. We can say it was the center of trade. Surat. Surat was the gateway to the west. Why it is known as the gateway to the west? Because it is located at the western coastal areas in Gujarat. And earlier time, many pilgrims, many people who want to visit the Mecca and Medina, that is located western side of our country. So there were many ships which may be entered from the, that was the gateway टू द वेस्ट यानी वेस्ट में जाने का जो मोस्टली पॉपुलर पोर्ट था दैट वाज द सूरत अर्ली टाइम where there were many pilgrims, many traders, they moved to the European nations, okay, or western countries of the Asian continent. So Surat was the emporium means the for the traders, and Surat was the famous for the hundi. What is the hundi? Early time, what happened there? Like today there is the lot of facilities are available. So early time, if you want to visit from one nation to another nation. So there are different currencies in different nations. Suppose India में रुपीस चलता है, नेपाल में मे बी टका, in other nation may be dollar, in other nation may be euro, like this. So where you want to visit any nation, so what is the currency of that nation? So undi early time, undi word is used for suppose you want to visit the such nations where your currency can't run, जहाँ आपके पैसे नहीं चलेंगे, तो you may be deposit the your currency in India. जैसे suppose you deposit the 10,000 rupees in India, and they will give the slip or whatever evidence which you may be claim in another nations at the 10,000 rupees. सपोज वहां की जो वैल्यू हुई करेंसी की उसमें आपको 10,000 रुपीज की करेंसी की वैल्यू की करेंसी दे देंगे कंपेयर करके इंडियन करेंसी. तो डेट वर्क इज नोन एज द हुंडी डियर. हुंडी इसको बोला जाता था. सपोज आप इंडिया में हो, यू वांट टू विजिट द नेपाल फॉर एग्जांपल, या सपोज एनी सच नेशन व्हिच करेंसी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इंडिया, एंड यू आर डिपॉजिट द 10,000 रुपीज इन इंडिया फॉर एग्जांपल, और वहां की करेंसी की वैल्यू डिफरेंट है, तो उस करेंसी में 10,000 को कन्वर्ट करके आप क्लेम कर सकते हो उतनी करेंसी उस नेशन की आपको वहां मिल जाएगी, क्योंकि वहां पे जो आप परचेसिंग शॉपिंग जो भी करोगे बेटा वहां की लोकल करेंसी में कर सकते हो. आपकी करेंसी वहां रन ही नहीं करती. दैट्स व्हाई अभी आप इंडिया में किसी को डॉलर दोगे, कुछ मांगोगे तो नो वन, कोई भी नहीं देगा. ठीक है, डॉलर हालांकि कोई भी लेके रख लेगा क्योंकि वो एज एडवांस की डॉलर की वैल्यू बहुत ज्यादा होती है, बट अदर नेशन ऐसा नहीं करते. So you will face the problem. That's why that is known as the hundi. So those people who visit the different nation, so hundi Surat was famous for the exchange of currency. Exchange of currency, that is what known as the hundi. We will discuss in detail in this chapter here. Surat was the famous for cotton textile work. Surat was famous for the jari work, which borders are on the saris. Saris पे जो border बनते हैं, तो Surat was the famous for the गोल्डन जरी, वेयर द गोल्ड जरी सारीज पे बॉर्डर्स बनते थे, सिल्वर जरी. तो सूरत वाज फेमस फॉर द गोल्डन टेक्सटाइल. सूरत वाज द गेटवे टू द वेस्ट. सूरत वाज द ट्रेडर्स और एम्पोरियम सेंटर. सूरत वाज द फेमस फॉर द हुंडीज. तो विल डिस्कस इन डिटेल्स अबाउट द सूरत एंड मोस्टली पटना. Later on we will discuss about the new towns and traders. So which were the new towns and traders? So there were new towns and traders were set up because there were many pilgrims, there were many traders who has came India to sell their product or to purchase the raw material from the India. Because India was famous for the spices, मसालों के लिए famous था. India was early time famous for the cotton textile work, cotton textile के लिए famous था. India was famous for the early time for the jute or maybe the for silk route. India, you are studying classic. So India was famous for the silk production. So that's why many traders came here in India, and due to that, new towns were set up. So these are the classified into two categories. One is the black town, another one is the white town. So which one is known as the white town? Which one known as the black town? Where all Indian traders live, native traders live, that area known as the black towns. उनको क्या बोलते थे बेटा? Black towns, जहाँ Indian traders रहते थे. और where the foreigner or Britishers or European traders live, we can say European or foreigners means the Pardesi, unknown person. Where the foreigners or European traders live, that towns known as the white towns. So such type of towns were set up in Calcutta, other part of India. So these are the main point introduction of today's chapter. We will discuss. Okay, dear. So tomorrow onwards we'll discuss about the towns. We will discuss the different point of town. We have discussed about the traders, how the Marwari traders, Nanda Desi traders start their trade, how to they choose different towns, and we discussed about the craft person, which famous for the metal work, jari work, or like this. So in this chapter, these are the point we will discuss. Okay, dear. So tomorrow onwards, we will start the chapter from first topic.